Starting off on the wrong foot with your opening bank balance in QuickBooks Online is like building a house on a shaky foundation. Why Euro? Let's get it right. First, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is your gateway to settings and important tools. Click on Chart of Accounts. This is where you'll find all your accounts, including your bank accounts. Find the bank account you need to enter the opening balance for if you haven't created the account yet. You'll need to do that first by clicking New at the top right. In the Action column for your chosen bank account, click the drop-down arrow, then select Run Report. This opens your bank register. Click on Add Opening Balance. A new window will appear here. Enter the date of your opening balance and the balance amount as of that date. It's crucial this matches your bank statement for that date. Next, select or create an opening balance equity account. This account is used to balance out the entry. If you don't see it in the drop-down, create a new equity account and name it Opening Balance Equity. Double-check all the information you've entered. Once you're sure everything is accurate, click Save. Congratulations! You've successfully entered your opening bank balance in QuickBooks Online. This ensures accurate financial records from the start. Be sure to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips.